Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin messages in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin messages in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, in order to pin that message, first open up the chat box of the person on which you want to pin a message. So I'll be just doing on the demo group which I had created earlier. It's the same for any chat, guys, any type of chat. You can pin a message on a personal chat. You can see, guys, I had unpinned a message over here. Now I'll be just doing on the group. So in order to proceed, first let's send the message over here on this demo group. And after sending a message, guys, in order to pin that particular message, tap and hold on the message which you want to pin like this, and this kind of pop-up menu will appear. You can see now there is the pin message available for us just below the translate. Tap on the pin and this kind of pop-up will appear, where again tap on the pin at the bottom right, and that message will be pinned on Viber chat like this. And there, guys, this is how to pin a message in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.